Traffic engineers have been counting traffic for a long time. Part of that traffic stream may be undercounted. Texas A&M Transportation Institute researcher Dan Middleton is determining the best way to accurately count motorcycles.
We're missing motorcycles, or the fatalities and severities are indeed increasing faster than other vehicles are. So we think we're not counting well. So we were trying to come up with a better way to count the motorcycles, and not just the technology, but how we're counting. In other words, where we're placing counters is important.
Current detection technologies are divided into two categories: intrusive and non-intrusive. Intrusive detectors require some modification of the pavement or adhere directly to the pavement. Non-intrusive detectors are mounted above or beside the roadway.
We're looking at some of the technologies that we've had around a while, some a long time, some newer, that we're trying to tweak to get them to detect motorcycles better than they used to.
There are two distinct groups of riders: commuters and recreational riders. Some methods are better for commuter counts than recreational counts, and vice versa.
We want the methodology to include locations where we haven't necessarily counted before. So it's not just commuter traffic that might occur weekdays. It's also weekends and holidays where folks like to get out and ride the country roads, and where it's more scenic, and places that they might typically not travel on weekdays.
Until we have a good understanding of true motorcycle volumes, we won't have a good measure of exposure rates, the number of crashes and fatalities as a factor of actual motorcycle miles traveled. Without that kind of knowledge, it is impossible to develop safety programs that address real needs and the right risk factors. The timing for this project is critical as well, because all states now need to report motorcycle travel to the Federal Highway Performance Monitoring System.